Okay, so I'm out here today with my truck. It's an 01 F-150, and I had a no start last night. PO113 code. Finally got it working. Got the kids to school this morning, and now I got to figure out exactly what's going wrong with this truck here. PO113. It was like high intake air temperature is what that code was, and so when I got that code, first I got a part from O'Reilly, and you know, of course it was the wrong part, not even close to what I ordered. So I returned that, ordered another sensor, this time off Amazon. It was a little bit cheaper, and of course that one didn't click in. So before I throw more time and money at it, I was hoping those would be quick fixes, and they never are. I figured I would just pop this IAT sensor off. It's just right here. It's a friction fit into that silicone tube, and just see if I can't get the resistance levels here. And let me see here. The pins are pretty far down there. All right. And that should get me what I want, but it's not. Oh, wow. Okay. So 0.036. Okay, 0.036. And that's the that was all I could get a reading on. I'm on the 2 million. 0.036, and here's the new one that didn't fit, but I figured this would be a good comparison for ohms. And this is 0.045. So there's about a 0.01 difference in resistance there. I don't think that would necessarily be the problem. So we'll send this one back. The other thing that people are saying to check is the EGR valve, which is over here. I'm gonna leave that unplugged. So I thought that that I would give that a shot here and see if I can't solve the problem. And this is the first time I have had any issues with this truck. It's been, well, I shouldn't say the first time I've had any issues. The first time I've had a no start. I did have just a heck of a time replacing spark plugs. The number 4 all the way in the back stripped out on me, well, stripped out on the guy that I bought it from, and he used one of those cheap spark plug fixes that you can buy for, you know, those threaded inserts, and it just didn't work. Oh, wow. Oh, that was on there. And so I actually had to drill out the spark plug hole, and that was actually kind of fun. It took forever, but I rethreaded it. You know, you bore it out and then you make sure everything's clean. There's a bunch of really good videos on YouTube about that. So I think I paid maybe 150 bucks for the kit, and that was the only issue that I've had since then up until now. Okay, so just about got this nut off here. Oh, and man, that is just on there. Okay. And I'm really hoping that a stuck EGR valve is the cause of our problem here, because the other option is to just start throwing parts at it, and I don't like doing that. Mass airflow sensor and other things can be the cause. Okay, so we got that. Now I gotta grab my wrench. Ooh. Well, and of course, that doesn't go big enough, so I gotta get a bigger wrench. I'll be right back. So, grabbed a pipe wrench here, and I don't have the clearance that I want. This bracket's in the way, and I wonder if I can. I hope that's a 10. I wonder if I can just pop this bracket off here. Is there another bolt? And that way I can get a little bit better leverage without worrying about. There we go. And I'm just gonna. Oh man. Well, okay. All right, that's somewhat better. Okay.
And it's tight. I can't seem to get the position that I want on here. Oh man. Oh, wow. Okay. That is just absolutely on there.
All right, time for some PB Blaster. Okay, I'm just gonna let that soak there. Okay, so here's the wrench I was looking for in the first place.
So we'll just get that. Oh man. And that is just on there. Come on.
Wow. And it's almost getting to the point that I don't want to crack my throttle body here because I'm torquing it that bad. Wow, that is just nuts. Just unbelievable. Oh, there we go. Wow, shaking the whole truck. Woof. Oh man. Yeah, that's no joke. That is no joke at all. Not even budging. Wow. And there's really no other option. This has got to come off if I'm gonna clean it. But I tell you what, I could just about guarantee you that this is the problem. After having this much trouble getting that nut off, just about promise you that is the problem. And I really don't want to put heat on it. There's too much around there that can go bad. Oh man. Come on. Come on. Okay, and one thing I've got to tell myself is there's no such thing as an easy fix. All right, come on. There we go. And I really don't want to strip this. Come on. And I didn't get enough on there. It's just in a weird spot. Oh, come on. Let's see if that gets me where I need it to go. Oh, these hoses. Oh, no, I don't want to mess with that hose. All right. Oh. Yes, I think I got her. Yes. Oh my God. That was a whole process. Holy cow. And I'm so glad I didn't crack that throttle body because I was looking at it flexing. Of course it's stuck. Let me see. I don't want to mess with the threads. I'm hoping I can just clean this instead of having to replace it. But that is so stuck on there. Well, am I making life too hard for myself? Okay. I think I'm making life too hard for myself. Because I think that's a stud. And it might be. Keep the whole thing in there. Oh! Oh, sure. Of course. Well, luck saved me from my own stupidity there. I did, you know, I honestly thought, I'll show you here. I honestly thought that this would slip through, but there's actually a washer, and all you Ford guys out there that know what you're doing are thinking, this guy, look at this guy. Shade tree mechanic. Okay, so I had thought that this washer was a part, oh God, and it just slips right off there. I thought this washer was a part of the EGR valve, but it wasn't. It was it was just a washer. But look at how dirty that is. So what I'm going to do here is just spray it out with some carb cleaner and see if I can't get that to maybe something stuck. Okay, so I just let that soak there. I don't know that we really fixed anything here, but we'll see. Maybe we got lucky. At this point, I don't know that it can really hurt anything.
Okay. So we'll get that back on there. I'm hoping something we did here fixed it. Okay, so I'm not gonna tighten that one down.
All right. Okay. Oh, nope, that is not. Or maybe it is the right one. Make sure all the hoses are connected and I didn't knock any loose. Okay, sweet. Well, I'm gonna see if she'll run. So here we've actually totally fixed our exhaust issue. Before I was getting, if I stood here, I was just getting gas smell like crazy. There was a whole bunch of gas in that exhaust. It was so rich. And what I got here is no powertrain DTCs or freeze frame data. So it looks like we fixed the problem. So before you start throwing money and parts at your Ford F-150, go ahead and clean out that EGR valve, especially if yours has some miles on it like mine does, because that cleaned it right up. So anyways, thanks for watching.